We use transmitters every day. These cool devices send information through the air. Think music on your radio or videos on your TV. Transmitters make it possible. We can group transmitters in a few ways. One way is by how strong their signal is. That's their power. Another way is by where their signal sits on the electromagnetic spectrum. That's their frequency. And guess what? We can also group them by how they put information onto the signal. That's called modulation. There are two big types of modulation, AM and FM. Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of AM and FM transmitters. Power is like the muscle behind a transmitter. It determines how far the signal can travel. More power, farther reach. We measure power in watts. Frequency is like the address on a letter. It tells the receiver where to find the signal. We measure frequency in hertz. 1 hertz is 1 cycle per second. Modulation is like writing the message on the letter. It's how we put information like sound or pictures onto the signal. Now let's look at how AM and FM transmitters use these three big ideas. AM stands for amplitude modulation. Imagine a wave in the ocean. The height of the wave is its amplitude. In AM radio, we change the amplitude of the wave to carry sound. An AM transmitter has several parts. The oscillator creates the base radio wave. The modulator changes the amplitude of this wave based on the audio signal. The amplifier boosts the signal's power. Finally, the antenna sends the signal out. AM radio was the first kind of radio we used for broadcasting. It's great for long distances, especially at night. FM stands for frequency modulation. Instead of changing the height of the wave, FM changes how often the wave goes up and down. This is the frequency. An FM transmitter also has an oscillator, modulator, amplifier, and antenna. But the modulator in an FM transmitter works differently. It changes the frequency of the wave based on the audio signal. FM radio signals don't travel as far as AM signals, but FM signals are less affected by noise. That's why your music sounds clearer on FM radio. FM is also used for things like TV sound and even some wireless microphones.